Ideally, I would, suggest, try and use the company seat, because there would have been a certain amount of engineering that would have gone into the OE seats that come in from these manufacturers. But from a production lineup, these are meant for the masses. But as you want it customized, now there are so many things that you can customize, and seat, from my perspective, is one of the most primary thing that you should really look at, trying to have a comfortable seat, because the minute the fatigue kicks in on your tailbone is when you'll start getting tired, and that can immediately slow you down. And this is where I've kind of created my own seats, which many of you in the community have already got it, but time constraints, which have really not been able to put it into mainstream availability, but hopefully I should. When it comes to seating, yes, it's really important for you to be comfortable. If you are happy with the company seat, so be it. But technically, the way I see it, I've always looked at the rear seat, and it's tapered on the corner when the thighs are, outside of the cushion area. Now, the more you allow your thighs to sag, the more the fatigue kicks in. So the seats should be in a way where your entire portion of the back has got enough support so that there are no muscles flying about. So once that is done, you are taken care of the fatigue that can possibly kick in. But no matter what, guys, 200 kilometers max, stop, take a break, have a sip of water, and then move on. Not that I've not used add-ons on the existing seat, but I really have not felt comfortable, because no matter how much you tighten those straps, in case of a hard braking, there is always a slip between the original seat and the add-on. Now, this can make you lose focus, because your butt's moving when ideally it should be literally firm and planted on the seat. So if you ask me if a hard seat and an add-on, I would throw away the add-on. Not my type. I've been there, done that, and hence this is my suggestion. I'm sorry if people are using it and really comfortable about it. Try braking hard. We would really want to be in the worst case scenarios and make sure that, we get away with safety. That's where I would, personally, my opinion, I'm not for it.